Hello and welcome to an update on our facilities opening up following the end of the Melbourne lockdown. We have maintained our guiding principles that have helped us over the last 18 months. This is to ensure that we have a consistency as we discern the way ahead for Tottenham. We're aware that other churches are managing this differently in line with restrictions, so our guiding principles are very important. These are: we want to trust God. We want to keep our church family safe. That is our primary focus. Learning from the responses that we've had to date over the last 18 months. We of course want to comply with all federal and state requirements, as well as the BUV guidance. We want to maintain and deepen spiritual support for our church family and the wider community. We want to support our outreach ministry. We want to promote staying connected, and we want clear communications and social media instructions. So from the 31st of October, we will begin to have up to 20 guests attend the Sunday morning service in person. We will also have up to 5 volunteers supporting the service. This is in line with the density quota in place. We have made a decision not to ask the guests for their vaccination status. This means we may have vaccinated and unvaccinated guests in attendance. While we will be maintaining COVID-safe arrangements such as masks and physical distancing, we strongly advise you to seek medical advice before attending in person. All guests will be required to check in as you enter. All of our volunteers do have to be vaccinated. Because of the capacity constraints, we have introduced a pre-service registration process. To register to attend in person, please contact Mauricio on 0404 911 838. If you are unable to attend our service in person, we will continue to stream our Sunday morning service from 10:30 a.m. via Facebook. Sunday school will remain via Zoom. If you are attending in person with your children, they can attend the program from 10 a.m. in person. Drop off and pick up will be via our chapel entrance. Just to recap, there are 2 ways to enjoy our Sunday morning service. In person from 10 a.m, you must register that you are coming with Mauricio, or you can experience our Sunday morning service via Facebook Live from 10:30 a.m. Sunday school will remain via Zoom, and for families attending in person, you will be able to drop off and pick up your children via the chapel entrance to take part in the program. That's from 9:50 a.m. Offerings can be made via a credit directly to the church account, or on Sunday in person via a special deposit box. We will be having an external cleaning company service the building during the week between services. So please remember to stay informed, stay safe, and stay connected. Thank you.